Okay, I have the pillow and the pillowcase, and I'm going to pin it. So to pin the pillowcase, you're just gonna, this is the outside. I'm gonna fold it backwards against itself, and I'm just gonna pin this edge close. So I use my fingers. Remember what we learned about pinning on the hot pad. Okay, and just put pins in about every few inches. Now notice how I pin in, and the pin is right, it's going horizontally right where the stitch is going to be. So you actually, the smaller that you pin, the more accurate it is. So if I put a great big pin stitch in, like if I go like this and it's big, it's not as accurate as if I do it really small. Okay, ouch. Okay, so I'm going to just pin. Okay, and pin the bottom. Put enough pins in that it holds it together. If your layers aren't matching, use your fingers like this to get them to match. Okay, now notice how that's not quite matching. I'm going to make it match. So use your fingers and force those edges to match before you put a pin in. And stick it like this. And sometimes it helps to pin your corners first. So you put your 4 corners pins in first, and then you go back and pin the middle. When you're finished, it's going to look like this. Okay, you want little tiny pinpricks. If they're too big, then it will be. So it looks like this when you're done. Like that.